I'm Jay Madhuri. I've done my BBA in Airlines and Airport Management at REMO International College. I've placed at Indigo as ground staff. Thank you so much for REMO Management and all the staff for supporting me a lot.
Very good afternoon. I'm Muhammad as well. I did MBA Airline Airport Management at REMO International College in Chennai. I placed in Air India at Bangalore Station as a customer service executive. I have 2 years experience. Then I was very thankful to our college management and staff and my dear friends. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hariharan. I am from REMO International College. I have done the BBA in Airline and Airport Management at REMO International College. I have placed in SpiceJet as a airline security executive. I thank to REMO International College for placing me.
Hi, my name is Kavya Sri. I studied B.sc Aviation in REMO International College. I have placed in Indigo Airlines as a security executive, and thank you for placement in REMO College.
Good morning to you all. I am Divya. I recently completed B.sc degree in the field of aviation at REMO International College of Aviation. I recently attended interview in REMO International College with the help of placement team, and I got selected as a marketing executive in Coimbatore Airport. And thank you so much for this opportunity.